Implementing a new maintenance management system is more than just plug and play. A project for Infor EAM requires thoughtful planning and careful consideration of what data to bring into the new system, how the software fits your business process, and how to roll the system out to your end users. When you decide to bring in a new work order and equipment management program, you need a plan. Our EAM implementation plans start with the same basic elements, activities we have found to be essential to a successful project. First, you need a team to help decide on how Infor EAM will fit your business, and this team will need to help build clear business process charts defining use of EAM. Next, you need to establish clear goals, objectives, and a budget for implementing the system. Key to this is a reasonable go-live date for the software. Finally, you need to work with an expert in implementing Infor EAM. Some functions, forms, and configuration options are not intuitive. We can help your team navigate potential software issues, as well as apply lessons learned from other projects. When you implement Infor EAM, you will hit obstacles along the way, such as helping your group adopt and own the new system, maintaining the software during and after the implementation, teaching end users how to use the system for daily tasks, and even expanding use of the software, including new functions or even new locations. Legacy data and record sets are always an issue when implementing Infor EAM. No two systems have the same database structures, so your older data from another system won't fit perfectly into Infor EAM. This will take a little work. You need to decide if you want to bring over just core data, such as equipment, parts, and vendor lists, or if you need years of closed work orders and purchase orders. Historic records could be maintained in your legacy system, and you start fresh in EAM. Datasets can be uploaded from Microsoft Excel spreadsheets using the EAM data import and upload utilities. Your data can be legacy datasets or sets of new records you need in the application. We can help you decide on numbering conventions, description formats, and even coding schemes for your records. You need to consider the technology behind Infor EAM. If you plan to have the software installed at your facility, then make sure you have the right hardware and software in place before installation. Infor has a published guide for required server software. Hosted customers just need to make sure they can connect to their Infor cloud environment. You'll also need to consider more technical training in administration, report development, user-defined forms, and even how to apply the extensibility framework. Our project plans also include orientation to the software to understand the extent and limits of Infor EAM, business process design seminars, configuration and system administration training sessions, data upload and testing, system integration, especially to ERP and HCM packages, and custom end-user training and go-live support. We can also add special training and configuration tasks for more advanced functions such as inspections, calibrations, and call center. Thank you for your time today to consider how to implement Infor EAM. For more information, please contact us at EAM Solutions. We are here to help you implement a world-class enterprise asset management system.